Hi guys, this is Tom. Welcome to this quick video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on the first generation Jaguar XF. Of course, this isn't as simple as on most cars, as the wipers won't hold up the position when you grab them, and you first have to switch them to a service mode, which puts them like this and allows you to change the blades. Okay, so let me show you how to put the wipers in the service position. Now make sure to not have your foot on the brake. You want to pull the wiper lever closer to you, and now just hold the start button, and as you can see, the wipers will come up. I'll also make sure to keep the key in the car, as if you take it out of the car, the wipers will come down again. Now let's take a look at the wipers. So you just hold it like this. It still doesn't hold the position, but it's at least closer to you, and here are these little flaps. You just press on them and you take out the wiper like this. Okay, and now we want to do the same again. So there we go. Perfect. Let's take the right one and do the same thing from the other side. So again, pull these little flaps together to release the wiper, like this. And now you have to pry it off the end. Let's take the new one. Let's put it on the end and put it back into place. There we go. Okay, now that you fitted the new wiper blades, you just press the start stop engine button again, no foot on the brake, and they will wipe and come down. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my quick video about how to change the wiper blades on the Jaguar XF. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for similar videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.